Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, in today's video I'm going to show you a simple electronic circuit, and for making this circuit you will need only 4 components. Yes, you need one N-pen transistor, one blinking LED, one active buzzer and one resistor of 270 ohms. It's a simple beeping buzzer plus blinking LED. And later I'm going to show you one crazy effect using another LED. Here it is, the circuit diagram. If you want to make a beeping buzzer, you will need, as I said, a N-pen transistor. In this case I'm using 2N3904. And the first leg is emitter, base and collector. On emitter go 5 volts, on base with negative side of the LED of a blinking LED is connected through 270 ohm resistor on positive power supply. Negative leg from the buzzer go on the collector of the transistor and the positive go to the positive. This circuit work on 5 volts, and let me hook up a power to see how it's working. You can hear it because it's the self-blinking LED makes turn on and turn off the base of the transistor, so we get that beeping sound. It's very simple circuit using 4 components. But now I'm gonna use this LED, which is RGB self-blinking LED with couple of effects. Let's try this one. Desoldering the red, soldering the super fast RGB blinking LED. Okay. I'm gonna hook up negative. Can you hear it? It changed sounds. This is super cool, and I will use in my next projects maybe as alarm. Okay, I hope you enjoyed in this short video, which was making a simple beeping buzzer plus blinking LED, or this super fast blinking RGB LED that makes weird sounds. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like the video. Thank you and see ya.